Welcome to the Data Swarm Q1 2026 strategic briefing on the era of autonomous data. We are moving beyond rigid pipelines to a self-healing agentic infrastructure for the global enterprise. The distributed swarm is now active. Part 1 addresses the invisible friction in modern data systems, the $12 trillion pipeline maintenance crisis. Legacy extract, transform, load, or ETL infrastructure is collapsing under brittle architecture, leading to downstream hallucinations in AI models. The verification trap wastes 70% of engineering resources on cleaning data, and centralized processing creates latency deadlocks for real-time edge agents. This represents a massive opportunity gap. We see an 85% human latency overhead. Enterprises that delay the move to autonomous swarms are losing approximately $2.4 million per petabyte in lost agility and model underperformance. Part 2 focuses on the mechanics of autonomy. Introducing Data Swarm, infinite scaling. The 2026 agentic architecture is built on 3 pillars. First, E2B micro-VMs are stateless execution environments. Second, distributed agents autonomously validate, transform, and heal data streams. Third, ZK Audit uses zero-knowledge proofs for compliance and data integrity. This enables sandboxed execution at the edge with total privacy and zero trust. Data swarm agents operate within isolated E2B micro-VMs, keeping your data logically separated from the orchestrator and the internet, achieving 100% security and a zero footprint. Global swarm orchestration leverages a worldwide grid of micro-execution nodes to process data at the source. This reduces cross-region egress costs by 90%. Dynamic rebalancing automatically shifts workloads away from high-latency regions to stable geographies. Comparing Legacy to Data Swarm 2026 highlights the benefits. Failure response shifts from manual debugging in hours to self-healing in seconds. Latency moves from high batch dependent to ultra-low edge first. Infrastructure transitions to an elastic micro-VM swarm, and the security model uses zero-trust sandboxing. This results in significant system throughput gains. Data Swarm 2026 achieves 24.5 gigabytes per second, measured across 500 distributed edge nodes using agentic parallelization, far surpassing previous generations. Our roadmap to total autonomy focuses on stability in Q1, orchestration in Q2, ZK Audit rollout in Q3, and self-healing with version 2.0 swarm logic in Q4. It is time to deploy the swarm. The transition from manual pipelines to data autonomy starts with a single node. For enterprise solutions, contact strategic-ops at data-swarm.io or check the developer protocol on GitHub. The image sources used in this video are listed here.